Welcome to our geometry lesson. Today, we're learning a fundamental construction, how to divide a line segment into any number of equal or congruent parts. First, let's quickly review. A line segment is simply a piece of a straight line that has two distinct endpoints. Because it has endpoints, it has a finite, measurable length. Our goal is to take a given line segment, which we can call a B, and divide it into n smaller segments that are all exactly the same length. To do this, we'll use a powerful method based on a rule called the Intercept Theorem. It involves just a few steps: drawing a helper ray, marking equal arcs on it, connecting an endpoint, and finally, drawing a set of parallel lines. Let's begin with our segment a B from endpoint A. The first step is to draw a new ray, which we can call a x. This ray should extend from at an acute angle, which is any angle less than 90 degrees. Now, we need to choose how many equal parts we want to create. Let's say we want to divide our segment into 5 parts. We'll take a compass and mark 5 equally spaced points along our new ray, a x. The next step is to draw a single straight line. This line will connect the very last point we marked on our ray, P5, to the other endpoint of our original segment, which is B. This is the final construction step. From the other points on our ray, P1, P2, and so on, we draw lines that are perfectly parallel to the line we just made. These new parallel lines will cross our original segment, a B. And there we have it. The points where our parallel lines intersected the segment, a B, have now divided it perfectly into 5 congruent segments. Each small piece is exactly the same length. This works because of the intercept theorem. It guarantees that if you have parallel lines cutting across 2 other lines, called transversals, they divide them proportionally. Since we made the sections on our helper ray equal, the parallel lines must force the sections on our main segment to be equal too.
If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit codelucky.com for more such useful content.